So guys, sumura ko na here kung nakita niyo sa video. We have a mail call from Matchbox Toy. Yan. Arkham Knight by none other than LPZZ or Liang Pinzao team. Ayan guys. Wow. Kita nyo naman. Ang laki ng box. De, joke lang. Maliit lang. So guys, samahan nyo ako. I-unbox natin to. Tsaka na natin i-follow. To follow na ang toy review natin dyan. Ayan. Ayan naman, no? Ganda. Wow. So this is a licensed manufacturer, ang LPZZ, or also known as, they call it now Upfingures, so UPF. Alright, so they're based in Shanghai. So ayan guys, so fresh na fresh. Boom. Kita nyo naman. Ang ganda. So sa mga wala pa at sa magkakaroon ng box na to, this is sa brown box pa lang, this is the scan or the QR code na kailangan yung i-scan. Alright? Yan. Para mapuntahan nyo ang mismong website ng Upfingures, or before is the LPZZ, or also known as Liang Pinzao Manufacturing LPZZ. Yan. So ito siya guys. Ang hype na hype ngayon for DC lovers and Batman lovers. Ayan naman. Kita nyo naman, napakasulyado. Napakaganda. So, let's go. Unboxin natin to. Alright. So again guys, big shout out to Kuya Ralph and Ate Lisa ng Matchbox Toy Store for the LPZZ Batman Arkham Knight version 8.4. Yan, kita naman, no? So guys, sa mga box collectors, pag nakuha nyo to, or sa mga kukuha pa, kung may makukuha pa kayo, guys, kailangan nyo tanggalin yung plastic talaga. Promise. Why? This is the reason. This box is a magnetic clear box option, okay? So, yan, no? Para at least doon pa lang makikita nyo na ang kagandahan ng at kaangasan ng action figure na to. Napakaganda guys, oh. Yun naman, sulit na sulit. So, yan guys, oh. Based on the Batman DC Arkham video game, tingnan naman yung art cover. Look at that. Ang ganda guys. Napakaangas. So, yan, no? I myself, naglaro ako ng video game. Ang ganda guys. Napakaangas. So as you can see, license with the DC and Warner Brothers logo, QR code, and LPZZ logo. Tingnan mo naman. Boom. 1/12 scale collectible figure on the side. On the other side, Batman Arkham V804 Batman. Woo! Ayan siya guys. Ano naman, angas. Alright, so let's go. Let's remove Batman out of the box. So let's check it one by one. Eto na guys, backdrop panalo Batmobile from the Arkham game, Arkham Knight game. Ayan, pinakita ko lang. And later on, I'll keep my mouth shut na guys. Manual. Ayaw nyo na yung basahin. And yes, they already released Deathstroke as well sa Arkham Knight. Ayan. May pa-sneak peek na sila. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. And packing them. So guys, abangan nyo sa toy review, tsaka natin pag-uusapan yung mga accessories included. For now, hanggang dito muna ang unboxing video natin para sa LPZZ Batman Arkham Knight. Alright, This is Sumrock Luna. Enjoy. Peace out.